All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about terminal release tools and why you need them. All right, so terminal release tools. The last 2 weeks have been on electrical repairs. Eventually you're going to get to the point where you also have to repin connectors, replace connectors. You're going to have to do it eventually. This is a complete terminal release kit. Now this particular kit is from Performance Tools. I think honestly they're all made at the same factory because you can get it under various names: JTC, Steelman, Performance. They're all look to be the same. They all seem to be the same quality, so it's a great kit. This is what I have. I use it fairly often, unfortunately. It comes in very handy when you're trying to release a terminal. Pop it out so you can repin it because it's spread terminals, or pull it out so you can fix the wire because it broke right at the terminal, etc., etc. Comes in really handy. Yes, in some cases you can use a T-pin or a paper clip or all that. Now this kit, I will put one in the Amazon store. If you want to get one, it'll be in there. This particular one is W89732. I don't have a country of origin. It just doesn't say it. It probably did on the back, but it's ripped, as you can see. All it is a selection of different pins to remove terminals. Now they're going to vary based on what you're working on. It has a decent chart to kind of give you an idea what goes where. Sometimes they vary on what you need to do. The biggest challenge is figuring out how to actually get a terminal apart, the lock mechanism and all that. So it's a little bit of an art. Sometimes it can be a little pain in the butt, but a kit like this will definitely help. Now, as far as why you would need to repin, the guy before you that stuck a test light as far in as he could, or a T-pin, spread the terminal out, no longer making good contact. One of the reasons why you have to de-pin is to get in there and spread it out, or just replace the pin. Or in the case of like Toyota coil connectors, the lock mechanism breaks and it's easier just to repin a new plastic piece on it. Volkswagen's the same way. Depin it, repin it to a new plastic connector, you're done. No soldering, any of that stuff. GM, I hear, is real bad about terminal fretting and wanting you to repin a bunch of connectors at the dealership. Sounds fun. Or having to splice a wiring harness, stuff like that. So it's a skill you should definitely have, is pulling connectors apart so you can fix them. Good kit. If you're interested, check out the Amazon store. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, maybe you hate de-pinning connectors. Or you just use a T-pin like Keith. I'm not that good. Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.